Hey there, let's talk about sharing search summary reports with your clients. Now, this usually tends to happen so that you continue building your trust and transparency with your clients, wherein every week you're involved in sharing what's happening across a job and what are you working on. Initially, this came across as a show where you had to stitch all the job data together and make it more presentable so that it can be shared with your clients. Not anymore. Now we are letting you have all the hours that you spend in creating these reports back to you. What we are bringing, we are introducing search summary reports right inside Recruiterflow. You can pretty much select what job stages you want to include, what fields underneath stages you want to include, whether you want to add any disqualified candidates along with the reasoning, and at the same time, you can customize this based on your requirements. You can add your branding, you can add your logo, you can save it up for future use as well so that you don't really have to spend formatting it again and again. Enough said. Let me show you how this works. Now, first things first, head to your jobs page. Now, you can create a search summary report in any of the job view format, irrespective of you're using the grid view, you're using the Kanban view, or you're on the tabular view. In this scenario, I'm on the Kanban view. All I got to do is just click on these options over here and you see the generate search summary option. Click on that. Once you are done, you'll be taken to this page. You probably might see this as an empty feed where you'll have to manually add each and every job stage and the fields within them. This will pretty much look like this, where I am right now adding another job stage called offer, and I can add what fields I want to pick. I can choose up to 5 fields. Let's say what the hiring, title, company. I want to also add the location. I can also add custom fields over here. Let's say I want to pick visa status. And once I'm happy with this, I can go to my customization options. I can choose whether I want to include my agency logo, whether I want to include the date, whether I want to show hidden candidates or not. So I have all these options here. I can also move this. For example, I want the disqualification candidates later. So I can do that. And once I'm happy with all this, I can also choose to remember the stages next time I create a search summary report. This is a huge time saver. Now, instead of spending hours, you're going to probably get the search summary report presentable and in a very branded fashion in just a single click. How does that look? Once I'm happy with this, all I have to do is just click on generate summary, and then I get a preview mode where I'll see all the candidates and the information adjacent to them for each and every job stage I've added. And once I'm happy with this, I can pretty much click on export to PDF and the report will be ready for me to share with my clients. Just to give you a gist of how it looks, I already have a sample report with all the candidates and their information along with the job stages. So you can add as many candidates, as many stages you want, but I suggest you keep it very simple based on what exactly your clients are looking for. So this was pretty much about search summary reports. If you have any questions, if you need any help setting this up, just let us know and we'd be happy to assist you. Until then, next time.